Are you looking for a side dish to bring to Thanksgiving? I would recommend my Grandma Bowman's cheesy, creamy onion casserole. Let's make it. I'm going to boil these onions on medium-low for about an hour, or until they're soft all the way through. Reserve 1 cup of the onion broth. That's almost a full bag of potato chips. Butter a 9x13 baking pan. Add a layer of potato chips, cheddar cheese, and onions. Mix the onion broth with 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup and pour over the onions. Another layer of potato chips, cheese, onions, and creamy mushroom sauce. Top with a final layer of cheese and potato chips. Cover with foil and into a 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes. Remove the foil and bake another 15 minutes to brown. Fresh onions, cheese, crispy potato chips, and creamy mushrooms. Happy holidays.